I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Thanks for checking out this weather webcast on a sunny and a little more mild Wednesday afternoon. Recording this at about 20 after 2 in the afternoon. Beautiful sunshine right now on our Lynn Chevrolet Buick Cam. You can see the flag on top of the courthouse there whipping around. A bit breezy this afternoon. That will continue as we head into the evening, overnight hours, and into the day tomorrow as well. Same thing in Galesburg out to the west. A lot of sunshine, but again, a little breezy. And our Farmers Insurance Cam downtown Peoria looking very nice as well with mostly sunny skies as we now head into the middle of the afternoon. 47 out at the airport. Again, winds out of the south-southwest around 15 miles per hour. Pretty much area-wide, we're into the mid-40s. A little bit warmer down in Macomb and Havana at 48, 44 in Bloomington, and 46 in Pontiac. Temperatures are starting to recover a little bit. We're seeing 40s and 50s as opposed to 20s and 30s across much of the Midwest. But look how far that cold air still stretches down to the south. Memphis and Atlanta coming in at 52 respectively. And that 50-degree air still hanging on in northern portions of Florida. So the cold is definitely stretching down to the south. Radar and satellite is very quiet. All the clouds are well off to the north and will stay that way as we head through the overnight tonight. Futurecast confirms that very quiet night tonight with mostly clear skies. The only exception is we're going to have the winds whipping at around 10 to 15 miles per hour. 35 at 10 o'clock, 33 at midnight, and then we fall into the mid-20s for the overnight tonight under clear skies. Tomorrow, a carbon copy of what we experienced for this afternoon. Mostly sunny and temperatures, again, warmer than average for this time of year. 35 at 9 o'clock, 46 at 2, and 47 for our afternoon high. So 10 degrees above the norm for this time of year for our highs tomorrow. Could sneak into the 50s in Galesburg with a high of 50 is what we're forecasting. 51 in Macomb, 48 in Havana. Mostly clear skies. We head into our Thursday night and Friday morning. In fact, the clear skies should continue through at least the daytime hours for Friday. I think by the evening drive, we may start to see a few clouds rolling in here. Friday early evening temperatures, again, very nice for this time of year. 50 in Peoria, 49 in Bloomington, 53 in Galesburg. Friday evening, clouds continue to build overnight heading into Saturday morning. Then showers start to roll on in. The center of the area of low pressure will be to our north and west. So we're going to be on the warmer sector of this rain that's going to roll in for the weekends. But could be a very soggy, at least first half of our day on Saturday. Now we'll see scattered chances for rain as we head into the afternoon. And then the rain breaks apart as we head into our Saturday evening. And then we dry out for Sunday. Skipping ahead a little bit out in fantasy land here. This is the GFS long-range model. This is snow depth valid on Christmas Day. And you can see Illinois, nothing to show for it right now. And a lot of the models are saying that there's just not a lot of things that are screaming at us that we have a good potential for snow over the next 2 weeks. Now, a lot can change between now and then, so this is certainly not set in stone. One thing that we are continuing to monitor as well is we do see a pretty significant cool down, cooler than average temperatures probable by the end of December and then heading into January. So you've got one thing kind of going for you. Now we just kind of need a few storm tracks to go through here if we want to see the snow. And again, I know a lot of people want to see a white Christmas, but even more so than that, this all factors into the drought, which again are still at very high levels across much of the state. So we definitely can use the precipitation, rain or snow, as we roll over the next several weeks. So that's something certainly we'll be monitoring over the next several days. But right now, looking pretty quiet for the next couple of weeks. In fact, really the only other precipitation chance outside of Saturday would come on Wednesday. That looks to be rain as well, as temperatures get up to around 40. Other than that, then, most of next week should be hovering into the upper 30s. That'll do it for your weather webcast on this Wednesday afternoon. We'll have updates on our blog, also Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. And if you're local to us, we invite you to join us on WMBD 31 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Have a fantastic Wednesday evening.